Imagine you are sitting in a job interview. You know all the answers. Your mind is full of great ideas. But as soon as the interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself," you freeze. Your mind thinks in your native language, but English just won't come out of your mouth. Do you think you can fix this fear in just 30 days? Most people will say no. But I say yes, you can. Today, I am not going to give you a boring grammar book. Instead, I will give you a simple 30-day plan. If you follow it, your confidence will change completely by day 31. Let's break this journey into 4 simple weeks. Our first week is all about input. Think about it, how does a baby learn to speak? They don't study grammar rules. They just listen. For the first 7 days, surround yourself with English. The 15-minute rule: every morning, listen to an English podcast or a simple YouTube video for 15 minutes. Even if you don't understand everything, just listen to get used to the sound of the language. Turn off subtitles. When you watch a movie or a show, try turning the subtitles off. Force your ears to work. Think in English. This is the biggest secret. Stop translating in your head. Instead of thinking "मुझे भूख लगी है," think "I am hungry." In the second week, we move from listening to speaking. We will practice alone, so there is no need to be scared. We use a method called shadowing. Here is exactly how to do it. 1. Choose a short video. Days 8 to 10. Find a short English video clip, like a movie scene or an interview, that has subtitles. 2. Listen and repeat. Days 11 to 12. Play the video. Listen to one sentence, pause it, and copy the speaker exactly. Try to match their tone and style. 3. Record and compare. Days 13 to 14. Record your own voice on your phone. Listen to it next to the original video to see where you can improve. This physical practice trains your mouth muscles to speak English words smoothly. In week 3, we fix a major mistake. Many people try to learn massive words from the dictionary. Don't do that. You need simple, useful English that people actually use. Your goal this week is the 5-word diary. Every day, learn just 5 daily use words or phrases, like instead of, by the way, or absolutely. Use those 5 words to create simple sentences throughout your day. By the end of the week, you will have 35 new expressions ready to use in real conversations. Now comes the final week, real practice. It is time to face your fear and talk to real people. You might say, "But I don't have anyone to talk to." No problem. Use these 3 simple tricks. The mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day out loud for 5 minutes straight. Talk to AI. Use free AI voice tools like ChatGPT's voice mode. The AI will never laugh at you, it will judge 0%, and it will correct your mistakes gently. The customer care hack. When you call any customer service line, select the English option. It is a free way to practice with a real human. Conclusion. Look, you won't become a perfect poet in 30 days. But your fear will disappear. Fluency is just a mix of daily practice and confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, that is how we learn. If you are ready to start this 30-day challenge today, type "challenge accepted" in the comments right now. Let's see who is truly serious. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe.